This Carpet Expert is not a vacuum. Use traditional vacuum first on the area you are cleaning before using Carpet Expert HairPro Pet. While cleaning carpets with the floor nozzle, the unit will only pull from the Carpet Expert tank. Plug your Carpet Expert into a nearby power outlet. Press the power button. There are two modes to choose from using the Mode Select button. The first one is Deep Clean Mode. In Deep Clean Mode, the Carpet Expert dispenses solution into the carpet and then sucks it back up along with any embedded dirt, stains, or hair in the carpet. The second mode is Dry Only Mode. In Dry Only Mode, the Carpet Expert reduces dry times by extracting liquid left in the carpet from when you were using Deep Clean Mode. To clean your carpets, put the Carpet Expert into Deep Clean Mode. Gently rest your foot on the top of the floor nozzle and recline the Carpet Expert to start cleaning. Then start pushing the Carpet Expert forward and backward at a slower than vacuuming pace. When moving forwards in Deep Clean Mode, solution is dispensed into the carpet while suction is occurring. When pulling backwards, suction is occurring to extract liquid. For best results, we recommend a forward stroke, a backward stroke, and repeating this once more over the same area. For optimal dry time, try to avoid oversaturating carpets by only going over the same section 1 or 2 times in Deep Clean Mode. When you are done cleaning the entire chosen area for cleaning, use the Mode Select to switch to Dry Only Mode and pass over any saturated carpet a couple times to speed up drying. If you are going up any stairs with the Carpet Expert, there is a handle on the back of the unit at the base of the wand. Lift the Carpet Expert with one hand on the handle while having another on the wand for increased stability. For more information, go to sharkclean.com.